Okay, Saxon 4 math class, we are ready for lesson 74. We're going to be talking about fractions of a set. Up until this point, we've been talking about fractions of a whole, but now we're going to be talking about fractions of sets. So let's look at the examples to start off with. Okay, it says what fraction of the triangles is not shaded? So let's look and see how many there are and how many there are all together. And that would be 5/9. 5 are not shaded. There are 9 altogether. So 5/9 of this set of triangles is not shaded. Let's look at example 2. In a class of 25 students, think of that as the whole class, okay? There are 12 girls and 13 boys. That truly does add up to 25, doesn't it? What fraction of the class is girls? That would be 12 out of 25, so 12/25. Okay, some more practice. What fraction of the set is shaded? We're talking about this set right here. Let's count how many are shaded. Okay, that'll be your numerator. Count how many all together. That will be your denominator. And you have 5/12. What fraction of the set is not shaded for this one? Out of how many all together? 6/7. Part C. In a class of 27 students, there are 14 girls and 13 boys. What fraction of the class is boys? That would be 13 out of 27, correct? 13/27. In the word Alabama, what fraction of the letters are A's? So let's see how many A's. And let's see how many letters all together. And you've got 4/7. Okay, let's go back now. You will need to check your written practice for lesson 73, so hit pause as you check 1 through 6. Hit pause as you check 7 through 24. And hit pause as you check 25 through 30. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do some mental math. Now let's look at 25 times 1. Tack on 2 zeros. 1 times 4. Tack on 3 zeros. Now 12 times 3, 36, right? Times 1 and tack on 2 zeros. Now, counting by fives from 5, every number, Raven says, ends in 0 or 5. She's exactly right. But if she counts by 5, starting from 7, then every number, she says, ends in which digit? So if we add 5 plus 7, we get 12, okay? And then if we take 12 plus 5, so let's see, they'll either end in a 2 or a 7. Okay, square root of 4 is 2 plus, now 3 squared, that really means 3 times 3. Some of you guys have been goofing saying it means 3 times 2. It does not. This 2 means write this 3 down 2 times and multiply it. So it really means 3 times 3. Okay, we know that's 9. Okay, this was 2 plus 9. Okay, plus 1 squared, that's 1 times 1, so it's like plus 1. The answer is 12. Abdul needs 6 quarts of water to make enough lemonade for the team. How many cups is 6 quarts? Well, remember the gallon house? Okay, big G. The windows, there are 4 windows and they look like Q's, okay? And it's asking us, well, how many cups are in 6 of the Q's, okay? But we really only need to do one of them. We know we have 2 little people looking out each window, and each of those 2 little people has eyes that look like C's. So we've done one. How many cups are inside 1 cube? 4, right? 4 cups per quart. But we need 6 quarts. So you would take, okay, 6 quarts times 4 cups in each of those quarts, and you've got 24 cups. All right, estimation. Raul has $28. Does he have enough money to buy 3 t-shirts that cost $8.95 each? I would round this up to $9. And 3 t-shirts times $9 is 3 times 9 is 27. Does he have enough? Yes, he's got $1 left over. A little bit more, actually. Okay, calculation. 50% of 44. That's like saying half of 44. It's 22, right? Plus 6. 28. 28 divided by 7. That's 4. Minus 4. Back down to 0. Okay, problem solving. Makisha solved a subtraction problem and then erased 2 of the digits from the problem. She gave the problem to May as a problem-solving exercise. Copy Makisha's problem on your paper and fill in the missing digits for May. So 123 minus 40-something equals, and I have a 4 in the ones place. Let's take a look at that. 3 minus, I could do a 1, a 2, or a 3, and I would not get a 4. So this tells me I'm probably needed to borrow. So this is going to be bigger. All right, so if I borrowed from a 2 and made it a 1 and made this a 13, now 13 minus what would give me 4? It's a 9, right? Okay, which leaves us with, if we look at it this way, we've got 11 minus 4, which is 7. And there you have it. Okay, now we are ready to go back and we're going to do the power up. Your job is to think faster than I can write. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. And hopefully your brain was faster than my fingers.